Hello, you are on to OJ Online Maths Lab, where mathematics problems are given effective and simple solutions. So you're welcome. Let's solve this problem. In this video, we want to find the area of the following triangle. Because the triangle is triangle ABC. So for us to find the area of triangle ABC, we actually need to what? We use the formula of finding that. And don't forget, there are so many formulas for finding the area of triangle. It depends on the values you are given. One of the formula is using what? Using the square root of s into s minus a, which is Euler's formula, s minus c. That's one value, one formula. You can also use half base times perpendicular height. That's another formula for finding area of a triangle. And the other one is what? Using half AB sine C. That is, whenever you are given an angle and two other sides of the triangle are given, then it will be faster for you to use half AB sine C. It could be half BC sine A. It could be half AC sine B. It depends on the value given to you. So looking at this triangle, this angle A faces CB, this 16 meter. So we call this small a. Okay, wherever that angle faces, you call it small letter A. So B faces this direction, we call this one small b. So B is 8 meter. While C, this angle C, faces this side, we call this one small c. So obviously now we are given side A, we are given side B, we are not given side C. And we are given angle C. So that means we can use this formula. So now we say area is equal to half AB sine C, which is going to be what? Half times our A now is 16 multiplied by our B is 8, okay, and sine C. Sine C, the angle C, which is capital. You can see that this is different from ordinary C. The sides are written in small letter, while angles are written in capital letter. So sine 60 degree. So 2 here 1, 2 here 8. Okay, that will be what? 64 sine 60 degree. So if we use our calculator to multiply, and sometimes you might not even need calculator, sine 60 is a special angle, which is what? Which is root 3 all over 2. So, but if you want to use the calculator, sine 60 degrees what? 0.8660. So by the time you multiply 64 by 0.8660, you have 55.424 meter square. So that is the value you are going to get if you carry out that multiplication. 55.4. You can try it yourself. So with that, we have come to the end of this particular problem. Do well to click on the notification bell so that each time I upload a video, you will be duly notified. And if you are joining us for the first time, share, like, comment, and subscribe to this video channel. I love you. God bless you. Bye.